Yesterday, I have already told you about the branding. Today, I am going to send you about the importance of brand in product planning. Okay, so you know why the brand is important, and now the use of brand is important in product planning for several. एक minute, पता नहीं चल रहा. For several reasons to build product recognition and customer loyalty, to ensure quality and consistency, to capitalize on brand exposure. Okay, so these are the importance of brand. Okay, just to create a brand, you must need to be loyal. You must build a proper recognitions. You must expose your expose towards the customers about the qualities, about the product that you are making available to the customers. So this only happens if you create a brand, okay, in the market. Now, what are the types of brand? There are three classification of brands. Okay. Now, what are they? They are uh, suppose national brands, okay, private distributions brand, and another one is there, that is private distribution brand, and another one is generic brands. Okay, so these are the types of brand. National brands such as the products which are been nationally recognized. Okay, okay, a nation wants all those products. Suppose, for example, the company, suppose if you go with the electronic company, Ford, Whirlpool, LG, Samsung, these all are been initially recognized by the nation. Okay, everybody, every single person residing in India or abroad, they know the quality of this brand, whether it is Samsung, whether it is Whirlpool or LG, whatever the brands, they know the importance of the brand. Okay, the same with the car manufacturers. Okay, name, the name itself speak that they had created a loyalty among the customers, and because of this loyalty, the brand is being created and is been ruled for years after years. Okay, then comes to the next is private distribution brand. The next one is private distributor brands. This brand is related to wholesale and retailers. Okay, these are the retail, for example, some products related to the wholesale, some product related to the mart, some product related to the uh, uh, mm, some small markets and all. So this type of products are been where the products been easily distributed among the retailers and the wholesalers. For example, cosmetic goods, Lakme, many other cosmetic products are there which are been easily available in the market from small to big. आप लैक्मे का प्रोडक्ट्स छोटे से दुकान में भी आपको अवेलेबल हो जाता है, अब अगर कोई मॉल्स में चले जाओ वहां भी अवेलेबल हो जाता है. इस तरह का प्रोडक्ट्स और भी होता है जिसे हम फिर प्राइवेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ब्रांड कहते हैं. ओके, प्राइवेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ब्रांड, छोटे से लेके बड़े तक कहीं पर भी आपको ये ब्रांड अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. द नेक्स्ट वन इज जेनरिक ब्रांड. ओके मैम, प्लीज गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Okay, the next one is generic brand. Generic brand related to the एकदम लोकल मार्केट में जो आपको सामान उपलब्ध होता है. The products which can be easily, very easily, with a minimum amount of you need to pay for that particular goods or product. These type of products come as uh, uh, this type of products is comes under nation private. Another one is there. What is the name? Another name I have told you just right. Okay, whatever it comes under that particular brands. Okay, generic brands, sorry, generic brands, which has doesn't require any levels, which doesn't require any brand, it is been easily available in the market. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल केरोसिन ऑयल. अब केरोसिन ऑयल का क्या ब्रांड हो सकता है? स्मॉल सा चीज है, कहीं पर भी कोई भी आप राशन दुकान या फिर कोई भी ऐसा तेलों की ऑयल्स की दुकान में चले जाइए, आपको इजीली अवेलेबल हो जाएगा. ओके, दिस आर कॉल्ड द जेनरिक brands. Okay, that doesn't require any brand. Okay, it is a useful and very needy to every person in this residing in this country. Then the next one is packaging. What is packaging? A packaging is the physical container or wrapping for a product. Developing a product's package is an integral part of product planning and promotion, because the package is a you can say selling tool. Okay, now package is very much important. Why? Because it is a container or wrapping. See, देखिए एक बात हमेशा याद रखिएगा, जो पैकेजिंग हम लोग करते हैं और रैपिंग्स करते हैं ना, इसके ऊपर भी एक ब्रांड क्रिएट होता है और एक लॉयल्टीज क्रिएट होता है. ठीक है, इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है छाता. इसमें भी एक ब्रांड और एक लॉयल्टी क्रिएट्स होता है, और इसीलिए पैकेजिंग को इतना इंपॉर्टेंस कहा गया है, क्योंकि आप जितना अच्छा पैकेजिंग और लेवलिंग करोगे, उतना ही आपका सेल ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स का जो फ्लो है वो बढ़ जाएगा. Okay, that is why packaging is very much important. And this one is important. Why? Because it comes under product lining. This one is important because it always comes under product lining. Okay, the more you package, the more you decorate it, the more the chances of selling that particular goods. For example, आप कोई सा भी ऐसा दुकान देख लीजिए जहां पर सामान बिखरा हुआ है, इधर उधर सामान बिखरा हुआ है, और जो दुकान बहुत सुंदर से सजावट साफ सुथरा है, देखिएगा उस दुकान में ज्यादा भीड़ होता है. ठीक है, ज्यादा मैक्सिमम केसेस में ये स्टडीज किया गया था. ओके, तो पैकेजिंग का भी एक बहुत अलग सा एक मतलब इंपॉर्टेंस है. ओके, आप जितने अच्छा एक प्रोडक्ट को आप अच्छे से रैपिंग, अच्छे से पैकेजिंग करिएगा, उतना ही उसका वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगा. ओके, दिस इज कॉल्ड द पैकेजिंग, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो एन इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट of creating a brand. That is why it is also known as a tool of branding. That is why it is known, packaging comes under a tool of branding, a promotion of branding. Now, what are the functions of packaging? What are the functions of packaging? देखो, पहला है promoting and selling the product. This one is the first. The next one is defining product identity, providing expressing benefits and features. Okay, defining product identity, providing information, expressing benefit and features, ensuring safe use. Okay, this all comes under the functions of packaging. Okay, understood? This all comes under functions of packaging. Okay, now you want to make a promote of your goods. Now you want to sell any product of your company. You need to have a very good branding, labeling, and also packaging. Okay, now why it's been done so in a perfect way? Just to define the identity of a product, or you can say, or else you can say, just to create an identity among the customers relating to the defining of the product. कुछ ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जिसको दूर से उसका पैकेजिंग देख के आपको पता चल जाता है कि यस, ये दूर से पता चलता है ये वाला गुड्स होगा, ये वाला प्रोडक्ट होगा. दुकान में देखिएगा, दूर से रखा हुआ है, आपको दूर से वो दिख जाएगा और आपको पता चल जाएगा कि वो इस कंपनी का कोई प्रोडक्ट है. व्हाई? बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ द पैकेजिंग. इट डिफाइन what is the product inside the package. Okay, and also apart from that, it is very safe in use. Okay, the product remains safe. कुछ fragile goods या फिर कुछ ऐसा sophisticated goods होते हैं जो कि ब्रेकेबल है, या फिर कुछ डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाते हैं, या फिर फिनिश्ड हो जाते हैं. उसको अच्छे से पैकेजिंग अगर आप ना करिएगा, if you the package is not properly be done, then what will happen? It will going to be stale, fragile, destroy, damage, whatever the adjectives you want to keep, you can. Okay, that is why the packaging also help to make the safety of the goods and also safety for the users. The next one is label. What is label? Label is an information tag, wrapper, seal, or imprinted message that is attached to a product or its package. ठीक है, सो व्हाट इज लेवल? ए लेवल इज एन इंफॉर्मेशन टैग। ये एक इंफॉर्मेशन टैग होता है, या फिर रैपर्स, या फिर सील, या फिर इम्प्रिंट्स मैसेजेस कुछ होता है। व्हाई इट्स हैपन? जस्ट टू इन्फॉर्म द कस्टमर अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट। Okay, that is why a label is very much important. If you want to know the name of the product, then you want to see what the product is of. Just to identify the name of the product or the particular product that is comes in use among the customers, the label is one of the most important part, because it gives information related to the product. Not only that, it creates a brand among the product, and apart from that, it is function as an information of the product. इतना सारा फीचर्स है लेवलिंग में, इतना सारा फीचर्स है। That is why level is also important tool in creating a brand of any product. Okay, कुछ कुछ देखो, लेवल्स का कुछ कुछ मार्क होता है। द लेवल्स गिव्स द ब्रांड नेम, ट्रेडमार्क, लोगो. It does not supply sufficient product information. A descriptive level gives information about the product use, construction, care, performance, and other features. Okay, now a descriptive level gives information. क्या इंफॉर्मेशन देता है? डिस्क्रिप्टिव लेवल जो होता है क्या इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड करता है? इट गिव अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट यूज, कंस्ट्रक्शन, केयर, परफॉर्मेंस, when the date of manufacture, when it will going to be expired, each and everything will be on the level. So this type of branding or leveling is called descriptive level of the product. Now another important level is, एक तो हो गया descriptive level, there is another important level is grade level. A grade level states the quality of the product. What is the work of a grade level? Grade level जो होता है, देखो descriptive level में each and everything will be described, और grade level में क्या होता है, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रोडक्ट और उसके क्वालिटीज के बारे में डिस्क्राइब किया रहेगा एट द पैकेट्स। ओके, कुछ लोकल प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं, लोकल जिसमें लोकल लेवलिंग होता है, उतना इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं रहता है, नाम और कुछ छोटा मोटा इंफॉर्मेशन। सो दिस टाइप ऑफ लेवल कम्स अंडर, you can say, a grade level. Okay, ma'am, go to the next slide. So far I have completed. Have you understood? Any doubt?
No, sir.
It is clear? Okay. The next is, what are the factors influencing brand strategies? Okay, this one is the next. What are the important factors of branding strategies? Branding strategies के different functions या फिर influencing strategies और क्या हो सकता है? देखो, पहला क्या है? Define your brand's value and purpose. Mission. पर्पस का मतलब मिशन होता है। तो ब्रांड को क्रिएट करने के लिए व्हाट आर द स्ट्रेटेजीज यूज्ड बाय द कंपनीज, यूज्ड बाय एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और यूज्ड बाय एनी इंस्टीट्यूशंस? क्या क्या है? पहला है डिफाइन योर ब्रांड्स वैल्यू एंड पर्पस। आप अपना ब्रांड वैल्यू के बारे में बताइए और उसका पर्पस को बताइए। पर्पस का मतलब मिशन क्या है? Say for example, take any example of an educational institution. So before creating a brand level of any information, what will they will going to happen? They will going to have a clear motto or purpose, that we will say for an example, we will going to give you, say for an example, we will going to give you some quality education among the students. ओके, एक उसका मोटिव है, एक उसका पर्पस है। ठीक है, इस तरह से पहला ब्रांड क्रिएट किया जा सकता है। दूसरा है अंडरस्टैंड योर टारगेट ऑडियंस। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टारगेट ऑडियंसेस? आप हर एक ऑडियंस को टारगेट नहीं कर सकते हो, यहां थोड़ा सा बात को पलट दिया गया है। every audience you cannot target every audience, you need to set a target to some specific audience. Now what type of audience you will going to get targeted? What is the quality? First of all, you need to analyze what is the quality of your product, how much cost efficiency towards the customers if the product is being purchased by them. Okay, what will be the cost efficiency, how much profit we will going to. So these are the survey, these are the strategies they need to clear, they need to analyze before coming to in the competitions with the other product. मैंने कहा था ना इससे पहले, एक ही प्रोडक्ट के बहुत सारा वर्जन्स है, लेकिन अगर आपको मार्केट में स्टे करना है, देन व्हाट यू नीड टू डू, यू नीड टू क्रिएट अ ब्रांड ऑफ योर ओन। देखो इसका एग्जांपल मैं देता हूं, बहुत सारा स्कूटीज अभी बाजार में उपलब्ध है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्कूटीज या फिर पेट्रोल वाला जो स्कूटी है वो भी अवेलेबल है, बट सेलिंग में सबसे नंबर वन है एक्टिवा। एक्टिवा, व्हाई इज एक्टिवा इज नंबर वन? बिकॉज ऑफ कलर एफिशिएंसी, बिकॉज ऑफ माइलेज, because of his what you can say strong body structure construction, because of his leg space, because of its many other features is there. Okay, LED lamps and there. Apart from that, there are different brands of same quality of scooty is also there. For example, Jupiter, Maestro, uh, any others, TVS NTR, Ntorq. Lot of scooties are there available in the market. But why Aqua is in at the top list priorities among the customers? What is the reason behind it? There is only one simple reason. That is their marketing concept, creating a brand name. Okay, this is the way they create a name and fame among the customers. Am I clear? This is the way they create a name and fame among the customers. And this is the way they create a brand among the target audiences. Everyone, they set a specific target to some specific customers. But out of 100 people, the first 30 people or 40% people, their first priority is to purchase Activa apart from other scooty. Why? Range is same, the price is same, the quality is same, the durability is same, the color combination is same, the mileage is same, the functions are all equal, but still the priorities of the people given to Activa only because of the market analysis of the customers. What type of customers are there, whether they will going to purchase or not. Okay, so that is why this is called the analyzing of your competitions. Focus on your focus on your brand's logo and tagline. Always remember there should be a proper logo and tagline. There should be a proper logo and tagline in the name of the product. Proper logo and taglines. Tagline means, for example, Activa, shaping the futures of tomorrow's generation. Okay, ये जो shaping the generation, shaping the youth of tomorrow's generation. This is a tagline. Okay, so everyone, it is important to set a brand. You need to have a set a tagline. Okay, इसे कहते हैं tagline. Then develop a healthy brand reputation. Okay, if you want to create a brand, you must be have a healthy competitions with other markets. Okay, with other competitors. You need to have your products. Always try to innovate something in your product. देखियो, Activa 1, Activa 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th जनरेशन, अभी 6th जनरेशन चल रहा है, इसके बाद नेक्स्ट ईयर 7th जनरेशन निकलेगा। आपको क्या लगता है कि इस 7th जनरेशन का मतलब क्या है? सब कुछ एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी हो जाता है? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। ये एक क्रेज है जिसने इस कंपनी ने इंसान हम जैसे कस्टमर्स के अंदर में क्रिएट कर दिया है। 7 जनरेशन का मतलब क्या है? स्कूटी शायद कुछ परफेक्ट होगा, उसका टॉर्क वैल्यू अच्छा होगा, स्पीड अच्छा होगा, माइलेज अच्छा होगा, बिल्कुल नहीं। जो एक्टिवा 1 में है वो एक्टिवा 7 जनरेशन में भी द सेम है, लेकिन उसने कुछ थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाइड किया है और उसे नाम दिया है 7 जनरेशन। अब पहले वाला एक्टिवा स्कूटी को देख लो, वो कैसा था। अब उस जनरेशन को कैसे उन्होंने चेंज किया है, यू जस्ट गो एंड लुक। Okay, this is the way they create a healthy reputation among the companies. Okay, seek consistent feedback from the customer to create an important brand among top brands. They are always try to keep a feedback from the customers. Okay, hire the right employees. This one is absolutely correct. You always try to hire a right employees, because one wrong employee will destroy the entire right unit among the company. Okay, stick your brand purpose. Okay, this one is another important part. Always try to strict, discipline, punctual about your and the goal orientation and the purpose of your creation of the brand. The next one is set high standards and eliminates limits. Okay, always try to set a high standard and eliminate the limits. So these are the top, you can say, 9 important points with which you can create the strategies on which you can create a brand. Any doubt? नहीं, ठीक है। Now, brand building. How to create a brand? Brand building consists of 10 steps। कैसे ब्रांड क्रिएट किया जाता है, देखो उसका 10 स्टेप बताया गया है। नंबर 1, आइडेंटिफाइंग योर ऑडियंस, set the audience. Number 2, research your competitions. Who are the competitions? Go and research what are the good things they are having, and how can I be far more better than the my uh, what you can say, my competitors. How can I be far more better with my next competitors? Okay, then comes to the next, define your brand purpose and positions. Okay, define your, what is the purpose, define that one, and what is the goal you need to define. The next one is develop a personality and brand voice. Develop the personality, you need to develop the personality. मैंने बताया एक्टिवा का पर्सनालिटी इतना अच्छा है, उसका गेटअप, लुक्स, सब कुछ इतना इक्वली इतना अच्छा है कि आज जमशेदपुर में नहीं, पूरे होल इंडिया में शायद उनका 40% सेल है। 40% के पास, आउट ऑफ 100 अगर कैलकुलेट किया जाए तो 40% के पास एक्टिवा स्कूटी आपको मिलेगा। मतलब क्या है, आपके 3 घर छोड़ के दूसरे घर में आपको एक्टिवा डेफिनेटली मिलेगा। ये ब्रांड एक दिन में क्रिएट नहीं हुआ, इट टेक लॉट्स ऑफ एफर्ट्स टू क्रिएट दिस ब्रांड अमंग द कस्टमर्स। रिमेंबर वन थिंग, create your own brand story, pick a brand name, okay, write a slogan, design your brand look and logo, okay, integrated your brand into your business, and don't be afraid to rebrand. Rebrand means if you fail, if you see that your brand name is getting means not looked by any other people, okay, they doesn't focus to others people, then try to create a rebrand। रीब्रांड का मतलब है आप दोबारा कोशिश कीजिए, आप दोबारा उस ब्रांड को डिफाइन कीजिए प्रॉपर तरीके से। तो दिस इज द 10 ways बाय विच यू कैन कंसिस्टेंटली, द 10 स्टेप थ्रू विच यू कैन क्रिएट अ वेरी गुड ब्रांड नेम। मैम नेक्स्ट गो टू द स्लाइड। एनी डाउट? अब तक जो पढ़ा है कोई डाउट है? मैम दूसरा स्लाइड चले जाइए। Okay, new product development and adaptation process। Okay, so new product development क्या है? NDP, it is a process of taking a product or service from conception to market। Okay, now the process set out a series of stages that new products typically go through the beginning with ideation and concept generations and ending with the products introductions to the market. Okay, this is called the new development product or new product development. What is the new product development? It is simply called as a set of process which passes through different stages, okay, of the product, which need to go through beginning with some ideas, with some different concept, with some new inventions, and finally ending with the product into the market. This is called the new development or new product development. Now, what are the 7 stages of new product development? The 7 stages of new product development are as follows. Number one, generating ideas. Okay, every new product begin with a problem and ideas to solve it. Okay, you always remember, you see, there is always a, yeah, different ideas, there is always a different concept, strategies related to any product that is being bring into the market, brought into the market. Whatever the goods you see in the market, take for example from airplane, sorry, airpin to aeroplane. Okay, at the back of the mind they always have a strategy whether the customer will going to purchase the product or not. Okay, this is the way they generate the ideas. Then if the idea is created, then what you need to do, screen your ideas. You need to screen your ideas means you need to analyze. Screening का मतलब क्या है, टीवी में दिखाना नहीं, स्क्रीनिंग का यहाँ मतलब है analyze the ideas. Okay, analyze the ideas. This only will going to create a line in new production. Then comes to the next is creating a product strategy. Okay, the next one is creating a product strategy. Always try to remember one thing, if you preparing any product, there will always be a plan B at the end of the day. Always remember one thing. Sometimes what happen after running, doing a good business, the particular product, okay, may be wipe out from the market, say something about 2 years, 4 years, 5 years. Okay, that is why it is said that always try to have a roadmap before you are investing any money. Okay, आप कोई भी पैसा इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हो, आप सबसे पहले उसका एक रोड मैप बना लीजिए और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको फिर सर्विस अच्छा मिलेगा. Building a product roadmap. Then comes to the next, prototyping, testing, product launch, and the last, defining clear requirements. Okay, so these all are the, you can say, 7 stages of new product development. Okay, this is the process. Any doubt? Okay. Product life cycle. What is product life cycle? Look, the term product life cycle refers to the length of time from when a product is introduced to customers into the market until it recover from the shelf. Okay, this is called product line. Product line किसे कहते हैं? Product line simply refers to the length of a time. Simply refers to the length of a time from when a product is introduced to the consumer. Okay, this is called product line. Customers waiting में है, आपको ये कपड़ा सिल के देना है, आप सबसे पहले दे दीजिए और उसके बाद लाइए. Otherwise what will happen, it will be, you can see, the market will remove its product slowly and slowly. After 6 months or 4 months, the product will going to be vanished. That is why to remain in this product cycle, you want to keep your profit a little small, means at little smaller or minimum as compared to the product of a life cycle, because this one is important. Now, how the product life cycle is work? Okay. Now, product life cycle, product like people have life cycle. The life cycle of a product is broken into 4 stages. What are they? Maturity, research and development, feasible, and R&D. These are the 4 important product life cycle. Understood? Okay, ma'am, come to the next slide. Now, what are the new product developments? These are the same thing I have shown in the picture way. I have shown in the, I have given you some clippings over here. Look, the ideas generation. After ideas generation, there will be ideas creation. After ideas creation, the concept development and testing. After concept development and testing, slowly they go for marketing strategy and business analysis. And finally, after passing through product lane, test marketing, then there will be a product issue. So these many process for introducing any product, new product in the market, these are the following steps you need to follow. Next slide. मैम नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओ थैंक यू. ठीक है, आज यूनिट 3 यहाँ कंप्लीट हो गया है. कोई डाउट है अगर तो आप पूछ लीजिए. टुमारो मंथ आई नीड टू स्टार्ट अ न्यू यूनिट, सो इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क मी. मैम मुझे लगता है ये निकल गया है. इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी डाउट प्लीज आस्क मी. Any doubt? I have completed unit 3 today. Still, if you have any doubt, please ask me. ठीक है मैम, कोई डाउट नहीं है.